And the Grammy goes to Kiss Me More, Doja.
I have never taken such a fast piss in my whole life. Thank you, everybody. I really appreciate it. Thank you to everybody, my family, my team. I wouldn't be here without you, and I wouldn't be here without my fans. And you know what? SZA, you are everything to me. You are incredible. You're the epitome of talent. You're a lyricist. You're everything. And I need you. I just need you to say something. Please give them something.
Thank you, Doja. Thank you to my mama. Thank you to God. And
Yes. Damn. I like to downplay a lot of shit, but this is Thank you, everybody. Be safe.
Oh man, that was so tense. I saw Doja going to the bathroom. I was like, "Isn't your award comes?" Yeah, it's fine. What? That was crazy. All right. To introduce our next artist is her road tour manager, and that's one of the hardest jobs in the music industry. People don't realize the tour manager does everything. They're the people who make everything run on like on clockwork. You know, they're also in charge of telling the hotel front desk, "No, the room was trashed like that when we checked in." They're in charge of everything, and so it is my pleasure to introduce her tour manager, Misha Hedman Mays.